to my kitchen. Bienvenidos to mi cocina. Today I'm bringing you a recipe from Cuba. It's a traditional recipe. I wanted to teach you guys how to make it just in case you wanted to try. So it's called MALARRABIA and it's made with this Cuban sweet potato for the Boniato. So let's get started. Hoy les traigo una receta típica de Cuba. Es una receta tradicional de Cuba, se llama MALARRABIA. Para esta receta usando un boniato grande, 2 tazas de agua, media taza de azúcar prieta, una ramita de canela, limón, una cucharadita de vainilla, 4 clavos y unas pizquitas de sal. For those of you that are not familiar with the boniato is a Caribbean or a Cuban sweet potato. It's white inside as opposed to the American orange sweet potato. It tastes similar, but it's less sweeter than the American sweet potato, in my opinion. Anyway, so you want to wash your boniato, peel it, and then you want to cut it into cube-sized pieces. If by any chance you can't find this particular potato, then you can use a regular sweet potato, the orange one, or you can use a regular white potato. Si buscas algo dulce, prueba esta receta. Para aquellos de ustedes que no son familiares con esto, es una patata dulce caribeña encontrada en lugares como Cuba y otros lugares del Caribe. So now you want to add your potatoes to the pot. You're going to add the water. You're going to bring it to a boil. And once it's soft enough, you don't want to overcook it though. So about 20 minutes. And once it's about medium soft, then you want to add your other ingredients to it. Ahora cocinarlo hasta que se ablandan durante 20 o 25 minutos. So this has cooked for 10 minutes. You want to cook it for 10 more minutes, and then you want to add the other ingredients. Después de 10 minutos, agrega ramita de canela, limón, gotas de limón, clavos, sal y azúcar. A este punto, baja el fuego lento, tápalo y cocínalo 10 minutos más. Now you want to lower the flame, you want to cover it, and you want to cook it for about 10 more minutes. At this point, the boniato is soft, and so I like to add in my cloves and I like to add in the vanilla. I like to cook this for about 5 more minutes. So in all, I will be cooking this for about 25 minutes. And at that point, it should be done. The syrup should be thickened, and you can remove it from the flame and let it cool off. When you're stirring this, you want to do it with care because the boniato will break. And you want to keep the boniato in cube sizes. You don't want to have it all broken up, so it can be pretty. A este punto, me gusta agregar los clavos y la vainilla y cocinarlo 5 minutos más o hasta que el sirope se espese. Cuando removiéndolo, lo hace con cuidado para que no se rompe. So after 25 minutes, it's definitely ready. The syrup should be nice and thick. And I'm just going to show you guys the consistency of it so you can see. Ok, está listo. Déjalo enfriar a temperatura ambiente antes ponerlo en la nevera. Now it's ready, so we're going to let this cool off before we put it in the refrigerator to cool. And after that, you can enjoy it. Ahora voy a servirlo. Queda muy rico. Déjame mostrarle cómo voy a comer esto. Now, the perfect way to enjoy this is with cream cheese. It's the best way. It's like a perfect combination. And I like to cut a couple of slices and put it on the plate, add my malarrabia right next to it, and drizzle the syrup right over top of the cream cheese. It's like the perfect way to eat this. This is something you guys definitely have to try. It's really delicious. It's worth making, and it doesn't really take a lot to make, as you can see, but this is like heaven in your mouth. Qué rico. No hay nada mejor que esto. You guys definitely have to try this. It's something that you can make. Your friends will even find this very fancy. It's an old recipe, but why not bring this dish back and make your family and friends think that you're the greatest cook ever. Well, anyway, guys, I hope you make this. Even if you make it one time, it's worth it. And if you love sweets, this right here will definitely please you. Until next time, bye-bye. Hey guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any recipes. And I have a playlist with a lot of Cuban desserts, so if you want to check it out, it's on my YouTube channel, and I'll leave a link below. Also, I have a Facebook group called Cooking the Cuban Way. Stop by. Until next time, thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Oye, antes de salir, suscríbete a mi canal y haz clic la campana para no perderte mis videos. Si quieres ver más videos como esto, vete a mi playlist de YouTube. Y también visitarme en mi grupo de Facebook, se llama Cooking the Cuban Way. Gracias por verme. Hasta la próxima. Bye bye.